guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm doing a quick tutorial on how I achieve these passion twists. It didn't take long and it was very simple to do, so if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So first you want to have your hair pre-parted and sectioned off. This is going to help you save some time. And then I used the Model Model Glance Braid water wave. It's very similar to the features. I couldn't get my hands on the features, so this is what I used. And for each braid, I used 2 strands and I just pulled them apart and fluffed them out. Also, the plus side of this hair, I only used 4 packs and a little bit of the 5th pack, maybe like 2 or 3 strands, but not a lot. I ended up buying 7 packs and only used the 4, which really shocked me. So if you want to do a smaller size twist, then I would recommend using 1 strand instead of 2 strands, because 1 strand would be enough fluffed out. So now I'm just clipping my hair up out of the way, and I'm working on that back section. I'm using my Softee Olive Oil hair grease to moisturize my scalp. And then I am taking my Murray's Edge Wax to help grip my root. And then after that, on my hair, I'm using my Eco Style gel just to kind of help smooth out the frizz a little bit. So now I'm taking my hair in this section and I'm splitting it into 2, and I'm leaving the back section out of the way. So now I'm taking the hair that I've already fluffed out and I am putting it in front of that top section that I've split, and I'm starting a braid. But not only am I doing a braid, I'm doing it as if I'm braiding it down to my scalp like a cornrow. That way it gives me more secureness at the root, but it also doesn't cause tension. Some people like to do the rubber band method. Me personally, I do not recommend it because my texture is very fine and my hair will break off, and I do not have the time for breakage. As you can see, I'm taking my time with this braid because I want it to be as close to the root as possible, but still very loose. I braid about 1 inch down and then I just start twisting. So once I get my 3rd leg that doesn't have any weave, I split that in half and I put it into my other sections, and I add a little bit of the gel to kind of smooth my hair down, and then I just start twisting. Now to get that kinky style twist, I twist a little bit down and then I push it up. So I'll twist continuously, and then I'll push up. Also, I try not to push up when it's getting close to the ends of my hair because I don't want it to stick out. So I twist all the way down to the end, and you don't have to worry about sealing it. Sometimes people knot it. It's your personal preference. With this being curlier hair, this will not come unraveled, so that's the plus side of these twists. And that is the finished twist. I'm going to go ahead and do another one so I can show you guys exactly how to do it all over again. I'm not going to talk during the second time me doing this, just for all of my visual learners so they can see me do it. If you do need to hear me talk through it, just rewind and watch it all over again. finished twist. I will try to leave as much information as possible in the description box, but if you guys have any questions about the twist, just comment down below and let me know if you have any questions. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.